Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best alternatives to Miro in 2025, whether you need better features, lower price or just something different. Today I'm breaking down the top 3 best alternative to Miro: Mural, Lucidchart and of course Miro itself for comparison. Let's see which one suits you best. Quick tips for Mirror. Before we compare, here's a quick refresh on Mirror. Mirror is an online whiteboard built for team collaboration, brainstorming, and project planning. It offers a huge library of templates, great real-time collaboration tools, integration with tools like Jira, Slack, and Notion. Ideal for design, sprint, product planning, and agile teams, but it can feel overwhelming or expensive for smaller teams or those looking for simplicity. That's where these alternatives comes in. On the other hand, the Mural is probably Miro's closest competitor. It's also a visual collaboration platform and great for brainstorming, agile work, and more teams. The key features of Mural is sticky notes, then framework and voting tools, then the templates for uh, retrospective and planning, designing, thinking. Facilitator tools like timers, private mode, and guided season. Deep focus on team workshop. The pros and cons of Mural. Here you can see this screen. Easier for pros for Mural, easier for structure meeting, great for UX, UI teams and facilitate more team focused workshop tools. And the cons is slightly less modern UI compared to Miro. Free plan is more limited. The best for teams that run regular workshop, design sprints or retrospectives. Then the Lucidchart and Lucid Spark. Next is and its a sister product Lucid Sparks, and Lucidchart focus on diagramming, think flowchart, diagrams, organization chart, and Lucid Sparks. Meanwhile, is a digital whiteboard like Miro. Then the key features of Lucid Chart for technical diagram and structure visuals, Lucid Spark for sticky notes, freehand drawing collaboration, and tight integration with Google Workspace, Microsoft Slack, etc. Real-time co-authoring with comment threads. Then the pros and cons is Lucidchart. Here, best for developers, analysts, and technical teams. Super clean and professional diagram. Powerful data linking option. And the cons is less creative freedom than Miro for brainstorming, and Lucid Spark is newer, not as features rich. The best for engineering, operations, and team needing visual documentation and technical mapping. Mirror versus Mural versus and Lucid charts head to head. Uh, the whiteboarding for Mirror, yes, it has, and the Mural also has whiteboard, and Lucid charts has whiteboard also. Templates for mirrors is massively variety, and the Mural templates for good. On the other hand, Lucidchart is best for diagram, best for product teams, remote collaborate for Mirror, and for Mural UX workshop, and technical visuals dev teams for Lucidcharts, UI and UX designs for Mirror, modern and flexible, but Mural UI and UX is clean but simpler. Then Lucidchart UI UX is professional and clean, and free plan up to 3 boards for Mirror, and for Mural limited and basic plans available for Lucidcharts. And integrations is Lucidcharts is strong, Google, Microsoft, and the Mural is integration is strong. On the other hand, Mirror is strong, Jira, Slack, Notion. Choose Mirror if you want to flexible and all-in-one whiteboard with lots of features and integration, and choose for Mural if your team does facilitate workshop or design sprint regularly, and choose for Lucidchart is if your work involves technical diagrams, follows and system mapping. And that's it. Hope you are enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.